Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Saqib and today we are going to study the diphthongs of English language. In the previous video, I taught you the vowel sounds of English. If you haven't watched that video yet, the link is in the description. Go and watch it. So as I told you in the previous video that there are 8 diphthongs in English language and 12 vowel sounds. Vowel sounds are also called pure vowel sounds or monophthongs. And today we will study the diphthongs. So what are diphthongs? Diphthong, the word is a Greek word which means two sounds. So diphthongs are also kind of vowel sounds. It is a combination of two vowel sounds in a single syllable. So when two vowel sounds are pronounced together in a single syllable, it's called a diphthong. For example, take this word oil. In this word oil, we have two vowel sound in the single syllable, o sound plus e sound. So o and e, oil, o and e, oil. So we have two vowel sounds in a single syllable. The next word ear, ear. This word is also, in this word also we have two vowel sounds in the single syllable, e and a, e and a, ear. So let's look at the 8 diphthongs of English language. As you can see, the vowel sounds were represented with single symbols, but the diphthongs are represented with two symbols because they are combinations of two vowel sounds. And I hope you are acquainted with these symbols already, as I taught you with these symbols in the previous video. So let's look at these sounds. The first one is I, a and e, I, as in I. The second one is a and e, a, like in say. Third one is oi, o and e, oi, as in boy. The fourth one is ow, a and u, ow, like in how. Fifth one is o, a and u, o, like in slow. And the sixth one is ear, e and ear, like in ear. The seventh, air, a and air, like in air. And the last one is u and oor, like in sure. So let's look at some more examples of these sounds. So I'll pronounce each sound twice. You listen to me carefully and repeat after me. So the first one is I, as in fly, fly. Smile, smile. Crime, crime. Cycle, cycle. The next one is oi, as in toy, toy. Coin, coin. Employ, employ. Avoid, avoid. And this one is a, as in gate, gate. Day, day. Complain, complain. Break, break. The next sound is ow, as in now, now. Brown, brown. cow, cow, loud, loud, and then this is o, o, as in boat, boat, moan, moan, slow, slow, though, though. The next sound is ear, as in near, near, ear, ear, beer, beer, peer, peer. The next one is air, air, as in stare, stare, air, air, compare, compare. The last one is bear, bear. And this one is oor, oor, as in sure, sure, lure, lure, poor, poor, pure, pure. So these were the diphthongs of English. Practice them again and again. Don't forget that practice makes a man perfect, and use them when you speak English. In the next video, we shall discuss the consonant sounds. So stay tuned with us and don't forget to subscribe. Take care.